You saying?
Can you pick?
On to treat papa. Casabe naughty. Bentiada. Oh.
Like if I
can Chrome Casano, Catching some Casana, can Chrome Casano. Adam for Mutia, you know, when you're ready, some of this can be beba. Cardano, come on me.
Epe Munyata, Munyamenta, Pingeta, Kaka, Imelo, Bagelo Po, Kaka Mungami, Moluku, Manjingaba.
Osi on timi homi eya no bowa so bowa so ana moja wo.
Oh. When you feel saying 46 years old. That was for your stremo, share. 40,000 Ghana cedis in a year, share. 40,000 Ghana cedis. Na yenje papa en kwa pacho mo womba.
Yeah, womba 3.
Hey. Ya ma unwu. Wate. Me pese wani jiba nemba utrim kane se unwu. On se na wunim se obehia Yvonne ne papa pa de say. And there's a Michelle Grenia 1 week. No more to me pay $2,500. No more Sunday wa bray. The per se amount here says a woo. Why? Quite beer, a be password, and so near tea for Bobo. No, near to me, but somebody help papa your tea pass a man who are Yambe Busai. Yet me, my papa, you pa Yambe Busai. Tibia wo biano. Maybe my mobile money number. Mobile money we know a multimedia dear. A idea. Henty, what the toswa. You be can't bobo na yamma hospital no kwan so omunya surgery no ma no. Na ye de beba betua. And the omunya nya sa kwanya dia o me surgery no. Ti na money 0243. Pacho we yam freso. Me mpasa aso den no. Open me mobile number, me say me be pon me bo me mobile number ma. Me number nye cocaine. Me bo ma. But we for mobile money pay 0243 430 337 0243 430 337. A dear da mobile money number na so the multimedia group and ye dia register. Ye multimedia dia. Multimedia group net that's 0243 43 bium 0337. T we had 430 337. Na just say no was send kakra na ye de aba doctors na patch say indi kwan say ye ba papa yi owu minima de kuna doctors ne hu ye japanese in fee ha okọ ye pepepe na so mesi na chi minim sa de ne ye pa na ye see na chi the doctors na say they have a feel say we need to save this man minima de kuna ntira so whatever it is as I say you save papa yi temi sraw kakra bia e wo nsem no sending no mobile money in my na yem fanto so anti Yvonne me ko bi man ka bi de ya na nye o teno mic no show so what said I ho fan ten for mic no show so AM11 1998 na we university I said to go why they look out like that. There's a real investment of about 12 years old. Obi any some years where the yesterday because you been yes kana mama what me somewhere there. Then it me mama to come together to say there'll be more abundant feeding the street children after mum famation papa.
Sorry, Pacho. Actually yenya or GTV so.
Okay.
Now you share clip no. I share the fact it's about saving a life. And I mean saving a life is more important than any other thing.
Okay.
And when the botaya drop the other options that we had.
Okay.
Ma yet to me concentrate on Iben so no.
Okay.
Na the 2 weeks and a raise 2,500.
Wow.
Now in raising the I just we committee of 4. But we just felt it was more of a call. Inti yenya 2,500 na yebe hu Iben no as Pedersen kind last week Thursday and I share Iben. the joy that filled our hearts, and what he even told us that he had given up. Because for 2 years, Obia Crown Fasti come my. Enti yehu se asudi kese eda yeso.
Okay.
Asudi kese eda yeso. Ana ye decided say $5,000 nenso. Kwen bia so no. E wo se ye nyese sika no edeboane. Nti ye da mo asenso bebre.
Yanso ye da asekura se mutima identify no na ka tetete ho saa na nka ye de wo ho. Nti yesremo pa se wa wutie nya bia no wode bibi kakra beba na yetimi abobo no ebia wutie opese wo frɛ yen so asesi a betumi afrɛ 0302216561216562 ebia wo 1000 ebia wo 200 ebia wo 20,000 wo 40,000 the crab betumi dia brain nipa wo ska okruma pa yesrew pa on say me ya appeal at this year in the whole of this year me ya appeal entim pacho bomodia na yentimi mwa na eben yenjene nkwa 46-year-old man awomba miensa ontimi meja ene mema wo ho ne oba ho krahwe nkoda na ye sen na ono be jane mbai ho egu maame nko aso maame otimu se na ne ho ofepa ne kunu yade enti ono so aye bibia wo ho but ukuru beti apawate kan kuma to yam kura and they very simple very simple very simple who say me ira send me message me sure said definitely your message na me ira be send it I said it. I know the woman I'm marrying t wakasa menye bibi ntimeye why wakasa menye bibi ti mena me yebe ma $200 why
thank you
I will give you $200 na ya dia soso na fe obi so obi ana odi aba papa ba ko biamenim ne pa fa ne kafam ya me ya okwa brochiro ni Ghana me hu opidi around kafam ni ha se kafam wo Ghana o nkame amdo me so nsem do afa ho openi franco trading wutie mi a we uyi $1,000 we $1,000 anya hwe ma franco trading ni Freddy's corner no say no on say anya hwe ma kasa preko nti Freddy's corner $1,000 franco trading $1,000 mo de brain ya so for bofo we enso ye mia na menuane ho obofo we mia na menuane ho we enso ye enso ye kura o maye na nkeka mo no na yenje papa ye nkwa why kwada miensa patro ketwa pa no wo mfie sen oh wait nine. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Akram Patrick saying.
Nyami Adom boye.
Mo wadarma ubodia no ama yehu bebia wo.
Pacho, the friend Mr. Santi.
You just
me kasa free achinkwa ben. Pacho timenka.
Pacho me ton kapa.
Me follow programming na ayeme ave hopa me papa ya on ti apui. Na me nibi kakra me wono. Ena menso me pese me send de ba na sebe yensu okra wo mode ato amano Yesu Kristo ka sense se manya mamu nia no manya mame eninti le fasa ase no so na kakra ekita me no ma send me says ya de aba mo be hu mi din me number no
I show you t send it 0243-430-337 so why. Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Patrol me into you.
Captain Smart.
Eja.
Patrol me Dindi Davis Afototu. Edodoa Fremi Alahaji Mansan Suleiman.
I say, Alaji.
Patrol. Aka me fika nyina 100 cedi enti me ni papa na eche ma send 50 Ghana. But dia me hu ye no eye boy fi odan ye multimedia.
Aye.
And I'm seeing if you, but mum farmer no control issue.
Patrol you. That's it. That's it. Pa. ti wonso baby awo bia no de yen na yen nkakra kra se ya
Obeyi.
yen na yen nkakra kra se ya ye betumi yen sika. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Minya Captain. Pasha Pume.
Jami Adom me ho ye.
Oh, Captain. Captain, sir, me tight you, papa. Captain. Oh, Yamina, you are my Captain. Yami, you are my Captain. Yamisha, Captain. It's a I'm sure I think I will also for Precope. What's your sword neck? You go so demo. Captain.
Can the associate can be you,
Captain, because don't you know, said the Asofun you or common yes, I know. Asofun you or common yes, I know. Now, Asofun can call the usual quiet and Yamishra Nadia, you know.
And that's City Bomo, so Fakakra number so my why? That's it. Hello.
Yeah, good morning, Captain.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, Pacho, you're feminine now.
Yeah,
Pacho, not 60 Ghana and I know more into my 50 Ghana. I think I was the first one to grab me.
Oh, God bless you.
Yeah. We will do our best. Yeah, in second, we will best say no more, Mamma Pacho.
Pacho, that's it. Okay,
Naminka only my power. So, yeah, bomb pie the tower cheaper.
Amen. Monkoso Mompire and Tamachi. Eti Esremwa Bomodiana, what to me, ASEM is can be a my here. Eben, Mensu. What? Ensu. Sa haya always says, I had last stop. Yeah, no, ya jinkwa, ya mani pan say, intimate share say, be would you there be yenya be our no dear, ye be. Oh, fear, auntie, said it, Tibiano. Tebushan for your Sramwa, a pamacho, pa, Bomodiana, you pay 40,000 Ghana cedis. Once a 50-50 by a so tiano no. Na yet to me a J, Ebaninqua. Mr. Patterson, the Bena doctors na cast on bit me a surgery no.
This year, as soon as possible.
Almost cash na.
Yes, I can cash na.
Met me the agent, Momunye.
And also yet possible.
Many Dr. B. Kasawo, Cardiothoracic Center, or Nra. A bit me them say, Munye. William Munye. Why?
All right.
Na said your TBA and you beat ya. Yeah, man in Cosa. Mean Quadana woman crying. I could 9 years and papa qua. One ever heno. Ye na nkrofo hwe yin o nti nyame na ye adom na ye papa moto besi ne enya de ye easy sa nti yesrewa Afarita Limited CEO I say obema 1,000 Ghana cedis. Mr. Kwesi Afewa say obema 1,000 Ghana cedis nti eja Afewa ye da sepa Bomodiana with 1,000 no abba me wo prophet ba kubi was sending me message say prophet Yamichel say obema 1,000 Ghana cedis no so bema 1,000
Yamishra no
no so bema 1,000 na eja ye to me e dia so the amount ma me kind message na omuncho ni din nto ho omuncho ni din nto ho Pacho, Prophet Rexford Yamiche, Muntroni Dino, so be 1,000 Ghana cedis. And Prophet, Ukramen from Memphis to American Mao 9 ya, with the Bomodiana for 0243 430 337, a mobile money number. Obit me as an Isikano de Afasun Temtem so. Na Yensaka. Minu Abakwana Menete. We see the number again, my member number Nibium. 0243 430 337. Pacho to your Facebook was here. Fatu was here. 0243 430 337. Na what to me? Eddie and so the aba. Me nuabako. A friend Alex or Amsterdam. So be €100. And Alex, Obama number says ya broche baby I'm to me mobile money. To very simple. Why we are the premier name refi. Yeah, meant me uncle. I didn't know him the door so. oh osi otie osesi ana eye ne yapa nti Alex yeda se fedo soso na fe February okay we should you say no need to mention my name. I said it. You see this one? Okay. Also men can't say also me money ding minimum the pa. Also about 10,000 Ghana cedis.
Oh, God bless you.
About 100 million. Ti ehwe mo na cho so no calculate me tua 2,000.
Nyamisran.
Obema 10,000 Ghana cedis. I mean, my friend, a guy in God I trust. In God I trust. So, about 10,000 Ghana cedis. Now, wait to me, the ball home, bra. Why? Number no, a bit to me, afa about 10,000. There be able to me, Ubusa.
A bit 2,000.
No, a bit to me.
A bit to me, I send it 10,000 straight up. Okay.
Only a merchant.
Okay. Enti dear dano no osisi akura no wadi ka send 500 sefa no kotonsu na wa send am bi umi say no de gi kotonsu na fire ho yie kama why ti nyamisha ye beda mase na pachoka
Captain Smart ye beda mase pa nyamisha mo no kwase me wom ne say ofiada na bae ene ye manenko echina with wo assurance no ye be pay bi amanada
ye pay be manada
work of assessment
ye pay be manada
wo mu ye admission ni ehun we na keep you posted
pacho me do cut $200 why na me ye hu be bi me pie na fa ka me trauma o se ya ada ja kokoye ye fancy ha na
ye da mase
obeti ye kan ti mobile number no ye 0243 430-337 na what me I send you mobile money pacho yense sangusu sese ya
pacho me fa kwanya isun so nda members of class of 98 school of admin
mo de nyame nhira mu
na a collective group na yenyina take initiative
good
yeah that massive
good when you Bastella so say was send 200 or some me boni di Bastella my boy why are the nyame sha papa bi wo ha wo ya say ema yehu ma yehu say why oh my idea pa nyame sha mami cha bra me ha go what bra me nyawa tu ai umejama mechi na yentwa mfoni mra ne ntwa mfoni cha mam ati okay unso bra betwa bi microphone na asisu studio abeka bi abekọ
hey makao
okay that's it yamre nti betwa to amfoni no so anim hoda
captain ayesa microphone
nti you that's it ti srawa mo amwo dollars wo ho no fa bi brantem na yintimi emfanye ebusa obakaya November last year minim sa okaya na ye birthday wishes say ya na mama bi frɛ friend Asantewa na osu sɛ obekum ne ho pacho tifo amuti ne samo kai sa mama na beye mre kakra na mama ne frɛ me amemfa me hyeda na frɛ me amemfa efisɛ na mpɛsɛ me ye nhwehwemu fa ne ho pa hunu sɛ ɔyɛ genuine mama no ɔyɛ genuine ohia moa ɛmo ohia no so kra yɛ fia bi ɛno de sɛ yɛ boa sa mama no mama nipa beye miensa na si achi adamfo police ni baako oba ye friend Irene sheda man ye fa na chi saa hwe mama na hu se o mama no ohia moa eni kwan se ye ma ne kunum no ho saa to no kwan se every day be mama nkrofo monitor no baby obefa bi nkrofo monitor no ene moa ne ye ketewa bi na yetimi aboa ono so ntima mi Asantewa ofra mi amemfa no na enye se hwe maheda mi ana na memfa na mpese me hu said the idea ne tiansa e da nyame ase se wo ye nokwafo na genuinely we hia mo ampa ye beboa but anopay me wo adwuma foforo a me pese ye asemi o ho ametaka pa se security patro anya natural ye provide it. Number 2, o mai bia the police in dia group bia nyo mai papa. Sa o mai no ben collapse. O mai bia the police in dia agro. Sa o mai no na asem ewo ho. Sa o mai no na nyo mai papa. Na sebia buru sebia gado. Yenya yetim ni yenya ready say ye bebo ye ho ban. Maka mesa kabium say abrochiro hanya hui a policy. Abrochiro na hona ya crofo corner as a young TB dano. Pacho a policy. Say wunya abotre pa. Now kind French for president here to for free. Akwadanya ansafo no Macron. What kind of biography now? Who say everything about France is about policing. Make sure say police no are comfortable. Now what to be a year Juba no na 1 year Juba no ye. Eti abroche won't be nko din semfo. On say mo soldier din ye fa soldier fo ngu krom. Na che say ayi adwin say ya nye police fo nani mo adwuma ho. The whole Africa. Se Ghana police for ekwaka another country a policy for who a commission so baby I say United Nations. 10 bia woman ye award no ma omoba. E che say ya policy for ne ye papa. But the intimi nya daje. Emwa wo mo. Ka say be ye party ma policy for wi na papa pani bi frem say obo mama ne a. Cambro sika ma all the source nam say there be me person nam person ye first. Now who is catching into who knows what's so fam baby don't sweat to me aye. And then me do back railway district police station. Na dine time. Be a very first time abu enemy production team the pictures next share me no mama me krata we me the bar studio hande. Na when you post ni penny and any atia ya na ye. Oh, you post ni penny and any atia. To ba no we say police station ye si we. Ye ya ebetimi ama ankra aboa ye. Ye timi ama de na timi aya kono na ya fe. Na ma police ni wura mu watimi nya that confidence etimi de aye adwuma. And a DSP Emmanuel Oforia Sante. Ebe PSO ba transfer be hu no say te ha say na police 40. Say the dining city no. Me amenka me mo no describe dine no. Na watimi akire yen. They said you see beton no baby a waya bedu now there say akoye Facebook wall ho obehu railways police station district commando and it say Gomuatakwa police station district command Gomuatakwa police station so to ana post for in every station him Gomuatakwa here so to pena post for in pe baby dum tiafa ko Facebook say obehu say na railway police station and said the city bofono keke na and then we DSP Emmanuel Oforia Sante or railway district police commander ha Sansuna Inspector Peter Sapon station officer and so ha station officer pacho pull microphone no mamina commander good morning sir.
Smart. Good morning.
Na bibia boko there.
Nyame Adom boko. We the matter was no probable we so farmer when you say menia asre kakra. Edika we to party. We will so maybe. And that was so bo Gomuatakwa police station. Na the FNS say it's almost district police station. Somewhere 2016. Ebra me baby free or no sword cutting.
Now
wo be in charge of the district as the district commander as an additional responsibility.
Oh.
Nami Swedro Jupo in charge of legal and prosecutions for the division.
Okay.
And then my additional responsibility somewhere 2012 as district commander for Bobikuma. Now, Besha, you see, district, it has now a story building facility. Bobikuma. Now, Gumata Kohono, so you have a post office been an hono. And na kebaba converting
minim hopa
to a police station.
Mifio.
Enti idea ya nshede nwi na enhye bi wo ho with the assembly.
Sa. Monya ntama.
Enti they said the more district headquarters in there a story building station no as here. But Timpo say ya hold a divisional say the ramp on na was structured for a fairness simple the divisional headquarters.
Okay.
Me had to say a ho na one person use as a divisional headquarters.
Okay.
They said good news e ho no. Right.
Na fe de yam bon komon fa said obeton police station na si ho no. Net say.
With the minua me shasia
Pacho bro nim kakra mbe microphone man thank you.
Me shasia me ka say me beto ye no say your stresses and your stresses. Now police adwuma are very stressful.
Very stressful.
Very stressful. Time I di adwuma na ka say din and impuntu ahwande edi shame no. Enti say o environment and shedding the mboawa adding more to the stress. Ubako you be free cells. Na munina CID office. Nipa be 18. No munati office bakum. Table and chair ho. Office no so na kwese ha ya kabum mienu. Na che say the kesi ano no na nkonwa for nipa 18 ho.
Aba.
Any table nso for Enti ubako you be free cells who be said no mass and confidentiality be any ho. Enti thinking of how best me render services to the community in and around, there was need, say, say it me create an enabling environment. Now, me that me paying for ye jumasi. Further then regional commander Mr. Alex Mensah.
Okay.
And DCOP Alex Mensah. Me sure krata the man wa say you perceive to na musi and 10 na reply by so our core headquarters about my same monkoso enti they have supervised any fairly simple Mr. Otu now assistant commissioner then he was a divisional commander enti in penny for our headquarters penny for our region penny for division ni na the support amma district in soliciting for the development of this very district. And you see, the leadership, I would say, is so enlightened and it cares for the that the welfare need in such that as soon as there's the least policeman, not only the M1 among. So enkoso moko answer the workers cry etimi ba if you headquarters about bisum enti all said and done I'm telling you that changes are by it wouldn't have been possible without the police administration.
Okay.
Enti first aseda pa any the etimi ama etima choppy success ewo ejumai leadership.
Okay.
Secondly, after smart unum say Obi shoeshine etimi ba the cement bag of cement. Commander J. Shoeshine. Commander J. 1 bag of cement. Me patrol my whole DNA.
Wow.
And no nefe. That has been the beauty of this. Apart from companies like a woman muso mode and to Wabano. Obi erobo so chum or ton force. O say, Commander, my better hada, na hanye. So muje. Fire na that be banner be do ma e was a bedding be minja baby pa ada. That spirit is what has in fact that was what I really wanted to build in and around time. This belongs to us.
That's right.
Police station and your police for there.
There be
yeah. Enti yenya ye team ye use facilities now sponsored by these persons no. Yeah, ye ejuma ama woma ye so woma
yɛmfa saa ahodie no and respect no courtesy no yɛmfa mom asenkyerɛ sɛ ɔmofoma benchi omo difference wo mpa
ofum de
yɛbɛkyew
sure
remember example bi oba memma oba ku bi ma sponsorship but ni hoko kemu yɛkye no ɛsɔ no say manager on police edwuma ne yɛbɛ
that didn't me encho
I didn't see me encho
they are any different from the one no
exactly and all said and done as a dark kese no me ya na front I keka makoma no Oma said be more standard of living here very low. No more contributed to this communal spirit.
That's right.
It's been very tremendous. All said and done. Coming back to your question, now the stresses were so much. Police form Shamase, Omanka Sanso, the Omujimu, Ekohum, Amanfua, Omo community ma, Omoye very Omo semu ego ewo omo also omo akumapa ensuma omo police omo eba on board anti personnel no it's been a teamwork right from the grassroots to the top. It's been a teamwork and people have come in that is smart me boarding some of the fairly simple me ko bobi din mambo bia said
ASEM
it is not been easy.
To what me see?
Oh, see idea I can be 10%.
Oh,
10%.
No worry.
Name me 10% naka furniture. Finishing. In fact, one of the so he needs to be proud. Say I did your just quality.
Sure.
All the materials you have put in, all the things that we have added on to the facility there. Now police station, Kakra, with about 3 offices. A station officer, CID office, or the room office, and district commander office in Tier 4, and ourselves. Now all these have been renovated. Renovations, that is we changed the front desk into block work, and we've tiled it. Tiling cells, as the toilet bowls, tiling wall, bathroom, as the showers, any toilet bowls, sister. In fact, you created 4 additional toilet facilities. Our CID for station officer then the former crime officer office CCR, and I created 5 toilet facilities. That's a new structure now, extension. 5 additional toilet facilities. Don't cry. 30 na time be here around the office. At the scene now outside. Until constantly about 30 people using the facility. The toilet facilities.
Why are you
a bit me abwa kakra? Na police on check kakra that say can be so after kwakwo baby. That enabling environment abwa ma ho jojo. We hear a lot of psychological stress. We should be statement na bibi account na fina obedwen ho distance over beko ansa na ye. Enti all said and done ya bayenim make can say your conference room now is yet to be finished. ACs a fairly simple and kunya and a fairly simple CID a fairly simple long room called usually a fairly long room, a big space CID officer it's accommodate now all the investigators. Your 2 aside officers are one is being occupied by the operations of commander and our inspector or in charge of operations, and one other officer the person a bit of a security will be in your case na say confidentiality that's the place where person be shown statements.
That's right.
A bit of privacy among cases be na ayana fair will say be so onya a bit of a privacy and ultimately open up statements to that effect. Now now the district commander's office and so it's almost fully finished. Now bought empire say other organizations, other institutions now, Omuti and Kamusaka a letter. Omusaka a letter to say, yeah, Musaka a letter ya, Moton Safre say, ne, amount for embassy, your successes, no. When they are coming on, they should just come on with pride that adding on to your nation is the bit that you can leave for the next generation.
Okay. Eti say 10% no which chimwa then the never been na obi here.
10% near chima na yehwehwe office furniture.
Okay.
Ama CID4 no. Office furniture. Ama
office furniture ni a proni akunwa.
That is a table
any akunwa.
And no for 16 investigators, 18 investigators, and
it's a table 16. Nkunya 16.
Table 16, 18.
18. It's 20. Nkunya 20. Table 20 for investigators. And 3 officers. 3 officers, and also for on say Ura first commander officer. So they are set up in the tier. That's right.
As you see, a swivel, a desk, and a set of furniture.
Okay.
And no for 3 officers.
Okay.
Now CID office also conference room also is going to take about 70 people. About 70 seater CID conference room. With a conference setup, so that is just it. And you share so say why she kakra why she nti fix ACs you can fix it bako jaka some of the offices na say fix it ebi wo ho and
ACs na ka say
ACs no technically depending on the horsepower obe use no. That's if you use the appropriate horsepower for the spaces now. Then we need about 6 air conditioners.
6 more.
6 more.
Oh, and it's honorable candidate. You put between me.
Papa.
Can beat me at the end if it was it.
It was on board.
To patrol canning in album, I'll be here. Scabe saying.
In fact, ye Jumadi, Skasem Aye Adeba Kwayan Fancy in this one.
Okay.
Usually, there's a lot of distrust public police in Timno. And that is what we are trying to breach.
Okay.
And we actually look out for the materials
no.
than the cash. And Esana so came back because nipa no be fix then also SOT me a workmanship now can home. But all said and done, technically so you quantify sa between 85,000 to 200,000.
Oh, in fact 100,000 baby sir.
Construction that is what 10% na kano. It has to do with a little kitchenette.
Okay.
ADD office.
Come police because Uber kona obi didi no be so true be statement.
Police ejai.
Na fe we police no twa kontomo na wo hwe sa. Oh.
Police ejai.
Eti yesremu. Eti fa mutie yen. We tables 20. Chairs 20. Kokroa kama ebitu bi SCC officers ama investigators na watimi atna so I very comfortable actual statement debi am catch us hwe yen yeda police na yen yeda police on that wo yen ye ko leave police on ko leave cause opa magana police for in anka say 1 minute won ye djuma bi mu na head ye basic room ha just 1 minute. Asebe besi kro we mu no yentimi ntina ho da ebeji obi ansem time ayen ye didi no esese police ni bi nya abotre no de na duane ni si ho de ya ka kire ne say duty call ntese so tumurika na ya de ye me ya kura ne say am robbers akoyen ye fie no a police for ba be boa na yen ye nkwa no ne ya bo police ni tu da wo momo ya sa be boa no mo nya nkwa But we are near the police for them. Yeah, we are quick to insult without looking at their results. Tia best row, where they are patrol. But Modiana boy, and Kunya 20, tables 20. And district commander office. And the oak office one, the table no better than home in the Bibi and in a Kunya. And say, and the sap bit me for not on furniture. Now, you ya, I could be set to be Swissi. I walk on about no more doors one. When your baby at na, me a shot at district crime office. And so, Beho, Nafi, conference room ho.
Conference room ho.
Patrol capacity in the bay saying
70.
Oh, why are you?
70.
Station officer.
In Ghana for dia.
Wow!
And we ever organize a education programs. Ama, your friend is simple. Market women na omo area mo. You see, I do my NSA magic a quite streets no. Car baby a car and we educate you bia almost money no no. But that is what they want to do. They want to put their lives in danger. Police force yan hwe Emma and Yamasa and Koso. Now there are sometimes captain there na no and they say ubetu ho anamon na unua no mu bi hwe pepe sie kamia unua no mu bi ometu anamon otro ensem ya hey commander ko gisco na otu nkofo Africa akwan oh no bi okoye yi watch obi ko de no court no over no okotro yi what's he saying? Traders call for district commander's head. We call it hey. Police commander class A over 10,000 Ghana cedis allegation. Class A. What control article? One year verification. Bia one be shame po say amount 40 ka kwemu na esi etu omu. Now what article about 2 papers. If he say obi edidi okwan mu nti commander ha ni dwumadi nti say etimi ema IGP aso ti say commander ha wi na bi tu ni firi ho behwe no kwen no neka na yi na yan chichire Ghana no me bepe say that bia mini ho a police a me free mu a me jana send ya me ba ebetimi aka say me pese me di police
good
but twas we free bia me papa jana ho na sana inspector general of police and so the transformation agenda no ekako and we are all supporting that vision of transforming the police service to a world-class police standard. We only say in our in French.
Touch me. Yeah.
Oh, any reshuffle Accra Railways top police chief.
Tell us why then.
I said me the Mwaja him say traditional council say because these persons celebrated a public other event without notifying the police and omoko court just before the court in and the publication we back out say omko be free at the time I was say omo press conference and I make capture him capture so beba all the beba out investigate find out
and so be one cover press conference means why boom didn't be some be
captain and I say the monato Captain Smart say captain walk to muna my press conference hey Captain Smart walk to muna no you say yeah case in police station say Captain Bibisa or Hana say Captain Smart now Bibisa or oba no crowd when you no when and I say bibi na you never front page it's not gonna say you best say your mind abranti back police na watch or say watch your tongue act right think right write talk right. This idea, especially this political season. Say na yede yenhujin say Ghana mine. Patriotism gradually, Captain. So na the days of your forefathers now no more odo Ghana no. That spirit will fade. More may hu Kana mai ya wara ujo shino me hu men kase wonka ho yima yinda yinsum na chichire man ya dio enti na corona enye ndu he Emma corona pompa
station officer obeka kakra
captain
me am so person ball commander abaso me
abaso bondie masa yes e ba o deserve
okay
because said ne ye wo hot ne hotie no na eya homete so eja obende because ura hokra ura first no ura ho a obi wo ha obi ura obi kesu ura ho the cent ne be share nti oba no ho akọ enura na me pona me ka che no ma me bi ba me ho o si eyi me ura ha che na the idea my we there me hu bi da tam se ado si na first ube ura kwa enti me ube bo me kura me ti make it because cent ma be share na me mpe
na so mo na mo de buti
ye team over 24 hours oba duty ko wi a oba duty 1 week go wi a eso ko hospital once amba the next and so oba
imagine
mosquitoes no o wa mo pempe mo de there but what do you do with him
Ebusanti commander minim sa number bi wo ho a
meda say etie for fa number yi na so omni yendin komo efa emom so metimi di abeka ho a 0204 628831
Pacho Bobio
0204 628831 Captain Medda Inspector General of Police ASEM.
Good.
And my current district regional commander Mr. Edwin Assistant Commissioner of Police. Na my divisional commander Mr. Seibunsu. Especially omni ye she ejumeyase. Mr. Henry Kojo Otu, then the divisional commander. The regional commander then Mr. Alex George Mensah. Mr. Alex Mensah. Omunya abe boying. Abe boy kesiye pa na. If this program has been successful, the bigger part of it goes to my commanders.
Jim FM.
I mean, sure, Obi Biara, Wato, and Sa, Atren and Sa, Edia Boy, Jumedi. Omomunya GD, who say, police, what's a bigger challenge than say, oh no, Ombi Juma, Equadifi. Tell one now who needs no. Ayana. Elba police station no to say asemisi. Usually where we put our heads is where we want to listen, but so very few people in and around have assisted, but then the bigger populace are from outside the community.
Wow.
Yes, and those who have donated from inside, you'll be touched. You'll be touched. I'm very grateful to them, and I'm very grateful to the people that I work with. They have been very hardworking. They omabwa in the tiniest ways, and those tiny things, the little things, are those that matters most to me. Their support, their assistance. Sometimes we will be a head pan. Sometimes even say CPA for community police assistance. So massa, we be on cover labor. Yeah, be.
Wow.
Wow, we be. Oh, efe. Captain, Ghana teacher. I don't know Makai advice via we. Away Titino. What's a GBC for me program bia? Omi program be was na for bia so railway line. Aye, DC.
Aye. First on Makai news.
Makai news say ye na ye boy ye dot yes make us no so.
Me Ghana ni ampo.
Esa na say chichire man no.
Ye be
chichire man. Na omunso amene me show mase esomo no omo ben railways railways jurisdiction in Cantamanto any ahonka ho na mesro mo omundi mraso pickpockets in the achichi o ma we for no so eguso deal with omo and obi no ka say and obi ba ko ekokot omo so mo twande wa ka kwem no omo so infri ho free okra na AME any police security council take a decision na ebe yi omu na efiro.
Okay.
E bompa ese mu so mu de mani be di eche na mu twa mfonyi ache Ghana men.
Ye pa.
Nyema say the Galamsey, the fight against Galamsey. Omo kwa hu hia. Captain Obiti kwa ho sa 15 years old. Wa humi smoke sa ska obi nyani na no dachi.
Hospital
cancer.
Sure.
Until we need to the national health insurance we don't need to spend so much on our health and waste collection. Waste we generating in government programs since for waste collection. It's a lot of money.
That's correct.
Until media okay. They should love their country too.
That's the DSP Asante. Yeah, that's it. That's the Railway District Police Commander Emmanuel Ofori Asante, and a station officer Inspector Peter Sapon. I don't pay Adom 106.
I mentioned baby, and so what I say, winning where we cheated for team part. Adom 106 some of us try.
Yeah, anything police is ours. Sana, we want to help the Ghana Police Service because we took police. What play them now see anywhere in Europe, anywhere in America, Canada, Australia, anywhere you see police. Yeah, my police in ye chrono. Ebe, I no pay Adom 106. You be kwaswa body runa and Crawford aba. Tables, chairs, the office. What the furniture there? What they can come to him. You be boom sa the beba. Boom sa. Patronido essential. Hobo more than a year in term. Now we cry the enkase koto empty sachet ne se kopebra. 14 grams no obefa 30. And after 26 grams no obefa 20. And at 365 grams no obefa 2 pe. Now what the Abanido essential, Nestle Nido your love, their future. Awake purified drinking water no wonum sans to no. Na yes so be odum so ne de so be and so benum so pa dia. Hwene hu say e awake e kasa prekofa no eno na obenum. Airtel go say with the unlimited calls campaign. Riddle which call bundle allows you to talk for as long as you want without worrying about running out of airtime. And Nina no Airtel go. Wo be kasa sa almost say there with the dial *111# with them Bekasa sa Airtel go life is simple. And no Edanche Freddy's corner say Bomodia na bra Bomodia na bra na womu CEO no winning the mobile phone company of the year. Womu winning 2015, LPC 2019. And ASEM Ketwa, the generous and the humanitarian works of the CEO. 30 solid years. Almost mobile phones to home appliances, laptops in the Honigo, over 0544959195. Your budget was so do. Go TV and so 89 Ghana cedis per. Or text Go TV call short code 1731. There, bro. 2 months subscription so you sent to at the account. Go TV, live it, love it. Shell, Shell shop will be a more remfee. Se Ura Hono. What tall fuel, what tall any lubricants, and I will rush shop what to biano that will build all points. Let's just hear the queer demansa near Chawadians. Would be fair 0242 436900. Yebejo, so Vodafone say, Pomodia, never Vodafone, no, fit your bills singing. Well, we're simple. Who phone him with papa, what ya computer energy, papa. When you be in ASEM Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? But you swap browsers, I'll be just so you see Vodafone there. Would I list *700# abba? Pay in up at the he. Be browsers patron after Fossebra. Say, upese courses from your horror, cinematography, film directing, editing, broadcast journalism, animation, any many more. Maybe quite many more than Mekwakushia. Many more. Who shall be your dress? Say, Sarkos na friend many more. Who be your dress? Say, a friend many more. Upa, I have bisa OPD. Obekacho, many more. Now, Kafa Wabagana.
Touch it down. Yeah.
What touch it down? Very good. Catching the mommy say. Railway police station.
Okay.
You hear TV back home, say.
No problem.
TV one. Sorry. And you pay furniture. Table makuma 20 pe. And then kunya 20 pe ama posi fatna so. Catch a kefam say. Me say no onye mame.
what did that problem sorted
you can't say me feeling so I'm saying
so we need
to enough to number is 02066123114 let's just say jukwe you know dey me dada I said no try and start me ya dey we feel when I'm signing off now what me aka we news what
It's the season of hearts on Joy Prime. Joy Prime, with the support from Muti, brings you Race for Heart 2020. Let's meet and walk to take